Hey everybody, it's Ocean, and I am in the midst of a blizzard in Chicago right now. It's February 1st, 2011, and we're expecting 24 inches of snow in the next 24 hours with winds up to 60 miles per hour. Right now we're inside my apartment, so nice and warm and cozy, but let me take you outside, have a look at what it's like. Hold on here. Oh. Typically you can see that's a Marriott, but you can't even see the building anymore. Maybe it's just some red lights. The streets are very quiet. I'm surprised cars are even running around at this hour. Here's downtown Chicago. There's Vertical Lounge. You can't see it over there, but nope, forget it. You can't even see the top of the Hancock Tower. Aqua is supposed to be over there. And so it's the Chicago Tribune. Oh, wow. Let's check out the streets real quick. People across the street yelling, drinking, boozing. It's a snow day for them. But I gotta work. Alright. See you guys later.